How to make thumbnail in InVideo AI for free. Creating an eye-catching thumbnail is crucial for your video's success. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to make a YouTube thumbnail in InVideo AI without spending a penny. First, log in to your InVideo account and navigate to the project dashboard. Even though InVideo AI is designed primarily for full video creation, you can use its visual editor to craft stunning static images for thumbnails. To begin, select the landscape, 16:9 format and start. A blank project or use any existing one. Add a custom background. By uploading your image or choosing from the InVideo library, you can also use screenshots from your video. Next, use the text tool to add bold, high contrast headlines with large fonts. Choose colors that pop and keep text minimal for readability. Then, enhance the visuals by adding graphic overlays, emojis, or icons from the built-in elements. Once satisfied, remove extra slides and keep only the thumbnail design. Click over Download Frame, or export the single slide and save it as an image. That's your professional-looking thumbnail. Made completely free with InVideo AI, no need for Photoshop or Canva. Thumbnails made this way are ideal for YouTube, educational or promotional content.